Can you share an example of time when cybersecurity risks caught off your guard and how did you overcome them?
So yeah, I'm just not taking my example, but I'm just taking a example from the publicly available databases. Like in 2023, a large financial institution where I'm aware of, a part of, that was hit by an advanced deepfake phishing attack.
Hmm.
Right. So what they have done is they have attacked by cloning the executive's voice. The
Okay.
executive's voice was cloned to actually authorize or nearly authorize a fraudulent transaction of $10 million.
Okay.
Right. So what do you need to simply do is, how do you do deep fake a particular voice? That particular voice happens to be the executive who has the power to do a transaction invoice crossing 10 million. This has happened. This was actually a great eye opener, right? Even though the organization had strong MFA, but traditional verification process is inefficient because with the MFA it's asking for voice check, and the voice has been passed because the deepfake is so good that it's passed. So what else you could do in those scenarios, you might wonder, right? These type of advanced threats and attacks, when they are coming, how do we handle it? So there are various methods coming in again to address these impacts. Something like AI-driven behavioral authentication. How do you validate or find out the deep fake videos and audios? And then all this, what we can say, additional augmentation even at the detection layer is helping us reduce the chances of such attacks significantly. Yeah, but such examples actually throw you off guard, and also help you learn the attacker mindset and improve multiple levels with such hits.